Oh, that's not required. You don't have to do those tests.
6, 7, 8, 9. And on the ball of my foot.
Hey, did you tell her you don't have to do the tests? Yeah, these are not required at all. You don't have to do these.
I don't have to do them?
No.
Got you. These are just to help me determine if you were and impaired in such a manner. I will tell you that before you sign.
Hey, Gabriel.
Hey.
So, completely fine with you standing this close and everything like that, but what you can't do is interfere with their investigation.
I'm not. I can speak freely
while
though.
they're talking to them.
I can speak freely. I can say whatever I want right now.
But you're not their legal advisor. You can't be interfering with their investigation.
I can.
While my partner's trying to do
The fact that I can speak freely,
which is great. Yes.
yes.
You can.
If you want to try to arrest me for speaking freely and call it interference,
Never even mentioned arresting.
if you want to call it interference, fine. Go ahead, do it.
It is if you're going to distract them when they're trying to go through
Not
the process,
distracting.
okay?
I can speak freely, and if that's distracting, I don't know what to tell you.
Okay. I'm asking that you please don't interfere and distract them, okay?
I'm just asking that you guys let them know their rights. They don't have to do this.
They do. That's part of the whole process. Okay.
This is not required. It's not mandatory. These field sobriety tests.
I didn't say it was.
Just let them know. That's all you gotta do.
You just arrived here, Gabriel.
I mean, are you guys really? I think that you're wasting your time. Apologies. That's fine. Are you not wanting to complete any more tests? What do you think I should do? Don't complete any more tests? Okay, no. Oh, really? Yes.
Try to criminalize free speech, man.
Under what? So, what proof do you have?
And you also have a misdemeanor warrant for your arrest. Yeah.
So I would be going anyway?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
So they were gonna arrest her anyway, but they were like, let's make her do some tests.
Yeah.
Awesome, cops. Awesome.
7310 is confirmed.
Let's make her walk up and down the sidewalk first.
7-4, have a ticket. Copy. 10-7, copy. Yeah, copy.
My boyfriend is close by.
So we're not gonna, what we can do is get the keys and take the key with you. Well, the windows locked. She can find it.
Yes, can you tell me to House of Mexico?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell her to come my boyfriend
For sure. She said, call a boyfriend for her, or a girlfriend. Go ahead, go to the girlfriend for her. You're gonna lock that? Yeah. I have some stuff. Oh, go ahead.
A-holes. Is this guy training somebody too? Oh, damn it, man. Davidson? Nah. They're not training, they're just partnered up. Light cop, dude. Light cop doesn't need to be training anyone. How's it going? You alright? That sucks. Sorry about your friend. Oh shit. Hey, nice to meet you.
I've been wanting to meet you for a long time.
Oh damn. Yeah, yeah. Good to meet you.